Need DNS records inside your application? With the Geekflare DNS Record API, you can fetch them with a single API request. Open the Geekflare API playground and select DNS Record API. Your API key is already added, so you can start testing right away. Let's try it with a real website. I'm entering this link. We will leave all DNS record types selected, including these all. Now click Send Request. The API returns the available DNS records in a structured JSON response. You can view IPv4 and IPv6 addresses, mail servers, name servers, TXT records, CNAMEs, and other DNS information that our application can use immediately. Ready to integrate it? Click Get Code. Geekflare generates code snippets in multiple programming languages, so you can copy, paste, and start building without writing the request from scratch. This API fits into all kinds of workflows. You use it for domain monitoring, security checks, infrastructure automation, internal tools, CI/CD pipelines, SaaS products, or anywhere you need DNS data on demand. Geekflare also supports MCP, Model Context Protocol, that lets AI tools like Claude Desktop, Cursor, and other MCP-compatible clients use the DNS Record API as part of their workflow, giving AI agents access to live DNS information whenever it's needed. Beyond MCP, you can integrate the API with your own backend, serverless functions, monitoring systems, automation platforms, or any application that works with HTTP APIs. It's designed to fit into the tools you're already using. That's all it takes to retrieve DNS records with the Geekflare DNS Record API. Give it a try, connect it with your next project, and start building it today.